another Bahikhata demo tutorial videos. So today I will show you the audit log module. So audit log is nothing but where we have all the logs for all the actions which are happening in the website till now. So all the action which you are using from your account, all the actions have been logged in into the audit log, and if I select like 100 rows per page, then you can see, you can check all the actions whichever we did in the previous demo videos. We have created pro forma invoice, we have edited the customer, then we have purchased some products, and then the right hand side we are also giving the details of the purchase product. Like for example, if there is a log entry of 18th July and the item is purchased, and what the purchase was, we have purchased the product. So in the log entry at the right hand side you can see the product details, you can see the category which is charger, and you can see all the product details, the name, the model name, and the customer name with his phone number. Also, if you see another details, you will see general khata. We have created one item in this, and then you can see all the actions like customer. We have added one customer, name is Samuel, email, phone number, then we have added the customer, and the same thing is coming, and we can also see that what are the details which are edited. So as you can see, this is 6 8 and 6 7, so this is what we have added. Then we have created pro forma invoice, we have created sales order, we have updated sales order. Same thing you can view here as well, that we have updated in the right hand side with all the details intact.